Merry Christmas to you all. So I'm unboxing my Secret Santa Christmas gift. So yes. Wow. So it says Merry Christmas to you, Priska. So let's see what my Secret Santa got for me. So, wow. Milk tray, chocolate. Oh, a cup that says P. Oh, my initial. And a coffee. Ah, a pajama set, like a fluffy pajama set for winter, which is nice. Yeah. Oh, a candle. It smells nice. Oh, enjoy and relax. 3-step face mask. Yes. Custard. Oh, toffee chocolate. Yeah. And a pen, because she knows I'm a student, so I need a pen. Oh, that's nice. Whoever is my Secret Santa, thank you so much, and Merry Christmas to you as well. Bye.